Listen, what's your crack like? There's no need to speak to people like that. Just learn little bit respect, eh? Learn some respect. Learn some respect. You put some soap in your mouth and wash it out, love. You know what? Let's get her on. What's up? What's up? On a morning when everyone's getting ready, Alec, come down here, have an Effie's, have a breakfast, and enjoy Alvaro apartment. £200 million. Most expensive two-borg in Marmaris and Icmeler. Right, so we've been here for 2 nights. That's why it's a little bit messy, but this is one of the rooms in the Sea View block at Blue Bay Platinum. We get this balcony, you get that balcony for the bedroom, and look at those views. So this is just going to be a quick walk around showing you what's what. We've had 2 rooms. Me, Oscar and Teddy were in this one. You've got a wardrobe in the front room, a chair, a sofa, not a sofa bed, TV, kettle and a fridge over there as well. And then you've also got a single bed, which Oscar stayed on. We've got aircon. And then the double room for me and Ted. We've got some chess to play for Oscar as well. We bought that from Migros. Double room, everything you need. 2 little lights, aircon in here, a light on the mirror as well. But absolutely everything was spot on for the 2 nights this week, the 2 nights last week. Decent, big bathroom, fully tiled. Overhead shower as well. And we can't really grumble for anything. I wouldn't grumble anyway because there's no issues. But we can't grumble for the price that we paid. Dirt cheap. 23 or 22, I'll have to double check what I put. That was through booking.com, so always check. If you do what I do, you jump on a flight, you don't know where to stay, always check online rather than go direct to the hotel, and you might get some unbelievable deals. Right everyone, we are out of Blue Bay. We are over in Icmeler. We're not in Marmaris anymore, and we've came to one of my favourite Turkish little apartment block, which is Alvaro Apartments in Icmeler, just on the back of Best Bargain Buys. Let me show you around. It has been raining today. I should have captured more of that. And yes, I am wearing a pink hoodie because that's what was spare at Best Bargain Buys. I was like, can I have a top? I don't want to buy one. I just want one for now. We went, here, take that. So this is Alvaro Apart. You've got a slide there. For me, this place is perfect. Location-wise, Best Bargains is just on the other side of these buildings. You've got a pool here, standard pool. You've got a little toddler baby pool over there. And then you've got a slide for the kids as well. You've got a little play area over there. You've got a decent restaurant where they... Oh, what am I doing here? What's up? What's up? So they've got a good restaurant. They have a good menu. I like the pancakes. We like the full English. Right, the other meals here, the set meals. On a morning when everyone's getting ready, Alec, come down here, have an Effie's, have a breakfast, and enjoy Alvaro apartment. Let's go to the bar. Is this all right on my tab?
Yeah.
Thank you, mate.
Yeah, don't worry.
Right, let's pour it in. Tuborg. Oh. Now, I like Effie's malt, but also Tuborg Gold.
Tuborg is Asian drink. All Asian people drink in Tuborg.
Hello, mate. Hello.
You alright?
Always good. That is a good pint. Look at that. So let's have, how much is it? Effie's here? Sorry, Tuborg.
Omar, can you check the price? How much is it? Tuborg. 200 million pounds.
200 million pounds. Most expensive Tuborg in Marmaris and Icmeler. I'll have 2 more, please.
How much?
Chin chin, everyone. That is too cold. I was aiming to do it in one. It's ice cold. 190. Cheap. Just over 3 quid. Just over 3 quid. Yeah. Oh, I fell short of it. So, very ice cold Tuborg. And now we're going to go to Best Bargain Buys.
I said hello.
I want, you're not on. No, Aftal. Call me a Salak. Aftal. Bok. Listen, what's your crack like? There's no need to speak to people like that. Just learn little bit respect, eh? Learn some respect. Learn some respect. You put some soap in your mouth and wash it out, love. You know what? Let's get her on. Get some soap in your mouth. Listen, people like that, what is wrong with them? They disgust me. The way they talk to people. Learn to speak to people with respect. Isn't that right, Oscar? Call me at Aptal, in front of my son. Family sportswear. Can I quickly go in? Am I alright to come in?
Of course.
Thank you very much. Oh, mate.
I'm buying a gift for my friend.
You didn't tell me the model was in.
He's just from.
Thank you very much, mate.
I like your style.
Oh, mate, appreciate it. Thank you.
Is your son?
Yeah, my son, 12.
Yeah, first time I seen him.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he's 11, sorry. He's 11. Big lad.
He's very cute.
Cheers, mate. See you soon. Have a good summer, mate.
And you,
See you
thank you
later.
very much.
See you later. And that is how usual followers respond. People online there, get a grip, love. Right, let's keep going through Icmeler Grand Bazaar. All lit up on this side, Merhaba, mate. Merhaba, mate. Yeah, good, thank you, mate. Good. But listen, down in Icmeler Grand Bazaar, you just walk around, big U-shape, plenty to see, plenty to buy, no hassle, look around, and lots of the stuff, the price is on it. 95% of people in Marmaris and Icmeler will love the videos I do. They love the fact that more people are coming to Icmeler, more people come to Marmaris, they see how beautiful the place is, the places that I visit and the places that I don't visit. They see how clean the area is, they see how nice the people are, they see how easy it is to get around the area, whether it's on the Dolmush, whether it's on, I don't know, scooter, electric scooter, and people love it. They love the videos. You get a small percentage that have been coming here, and for whatever reason, they take a massive disliking to me, which I don't mind. That's that anyone can dislike anything online. What I don't like is someone walking past me, thinking they're clever in Turkish, calling me an aptal, which is like, you idiot, But you thought she was clever, that I didn't understand, and I understood. So I called her something back and she started effing and blinding in front of my son. So we've got her on video, effing and blinding. Stick a bar of soap in her mouth, little potty mouth on her. Hello mate, alright. Can I get you on or? Yeah. There we go. There you go. Some bargains? Nice one. Nice to meet you anyway. See you later. So let's keep going. But you get rats like that all over. You know, it's like anywhere, isn't it? Anywhere gets rats. These have them as well. But I'm now back at Best Bargain Buys. Hello mate, alright. God, I nearly said Merhaba to you, the tan. I thought you were Turkish with that tan. There we are, back at Best Bargain Buys in Icmeler. And the top is from here. Let's go and get some shoes for today. I put my sliders on, not realising that Bobby loves to walk everywhere. Loves it. So I'm gonna go and get myself a pair of trainers, and then we'll walk to get a full English. Or in fact, we might take the bike. Right, this is Best Bargain Buy shoes. Look at that price on everything again. Yes, very good, mate. Very good. I'll go for the Nike Air Max over it. Nike Air Max every time. Nike Air Max every time. 20 quid a pair.
Where's your Air Max, Craig?
In the apartment. So this morning I didn't know I was going to be walking, so I put my sliders on with no socks. I've just put the socks on. So when you're looking at any shoes in here, which is a massive selection, they've all got the price on. They say 35, these say 20, some say 10, some say 17, 18, but the price is on everything. But if you are in Marmaris or Icmeler, come and check out Best Bargain Buys, trainers and shoe shop, 3 doors down from the other Best Bargain Buys.